The tensions are high. Recent images out of Minneapolis depict streets filled with unrest. The impact of the immigration crackdown in the United States flowing past the border and into Canada.
We get calls almost every day from people in the United States who are looking to move to Canada.
Immigration and refugee lawyer Alastair Clarke says many of those calls are coming from Minnesota and from Venezuelans in America.
There is a huge amount of stress, huge amount of anxiety right now, and many people are looking for options.
Jessica Jensen practices immigration law in both Canada and the United States. She says calls from south of the border have also increased at her firm.
They want to know what their options are to come to Canada, if there is any legitimate options for them to come.
Jensen says the Trump administration's ending of temporary protected status for countries like Somalia, Haiti, and Venezuela is also playing a role. A designation that was initially put in place to allow foreign nationals to stay and work in the U.S. if they could not safely return to their country.
That means that they either need to exit the United States or find an alternate option to stay there. And we've seen a very big increase in individuals trying to, use maybe their employers or an education background to travel to Canada.
The Canadian Council for Refugees says many are fearful for their safety.
The situation south of the border has been deteriorating rapidly. And so refugees and migrants are facing enormous danger from apprehension and deportation from the U.S.
Get off the street! Get off the street!
And while the unrest south of the border may seem like it's miles away,
could this ever happen in Canada? And I'll be honest with you, it could. Right now we have a relatively immigration-friendly government, but this could happen in Canada as well.
According to the CBSA, more than 34,000 asylum applications were processed in Canada in 2025. The top 3 countries of citizenship: Haiti, the U.S., and Venezuela. Marney Blunt, Global News.